Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Module 2, Lesson 9 in my space. This is your coach, Mr. Peter Parker. All right, let's get to it. So today we're going to look at how um, this word problem, gets solved. An office space in New York City measures 48 feet times by 56 feet. When you see the word by, that means multiplication. If it sells for $565 per square foot, what is the total cost of the office? Okay, my friends, so that's simple. So this is a multiplication, 48 times 56. Now let me introduce you to a concept called area. This is what we call area. We're gonna find out the area of this place. So it says that 48 is well, let's give the longest length. This is gonna be 56 feet. This is the length, and guess what? The width goes from here to here, and that will be 48. So now we have to find the area of this space, which is length times width. Magical, my friends. Okay, so now so we're gonna find out how big is this space first, because then we need to know what is the total cost of the office space. So let's get into our multiplication here. So we can multiply, I would like to have the largest number on the top. Okay, and let me show something here. So length is 56 times width, which is 48, which is right here. Now, 56 times 48. Again, some of you can do this if you desire. This is a very good way to um, get this done. So, for example, you can break down the 48 into 56 times 40. That will be the 4 here, and plus 56 times the ones, which is the 8, and that will yield two partial answers. So look, 8 times 6 is 48. You carry 4 over. 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 40 equals 44. So that will be 448. See, that will be the same answer over here. 8 times 6 equals 48. You carry 4 over. And 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 4 equals 44. Now, on the next one is 40, right? So that's 40. Remember, we already multiplied that 8, and now we're going to convert it into a 0, which because this is 40. So then we write the time tens, which it is represented by a 0. And then we multiply 4 times 6 equals 24. Cross this out. You carry 2 over to the tens. 4 times 5 equals 20, plus 2 equals 22. When you total this, it's going to give you, excuse this is not, okay? I will erase here in a second. 8, 4 plus 4 equals 8, 4 plus 2 equals 6, and 2 plus 0 equals 2. So that's 2000. Now, remember that we have feet. So these are feet, and these are 48 feet. When you have two of them, the measure is going to be given in a square feet. Why? Whoa, what's happening to my marker here? Okay, it's the little thing happening here. Let me see. So square feet. Okay, there you go. So now we need to know the price. So how much each for each square foot is telling you right here, 565. So now we take the total size of the space, multiply by 565. And I'm going to use different colors so you can see how this works. So 5 times 4 equals 5 times 8 equals 40. We carry 4 over. 5 times 8 equals 40. plus 4 equals 44. We carry 4 over. And 5 times 6 equals 30 plus 4 equals 34. We carry 3 over. 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 3 equals 13. That's our first partial answer. So now this becomes a 0 because we already multiplied it. So now we're multiplying 60. And to make it easier, we're just going to write, we are going to make it easy on ourselves and multiply by 10 first. So that's a 0 that represents a 10. Now we're multiplying. The other thing I'd like to do is erase this right here. You don't need this anymore. Okay, so now 6 times 8 equals 48. We carry 4 over. 6 times 8 equals 48 plus 2 equals 52. We carry 5 over to the hundreds. 6 times 6 equals 36 plus 5 equals 41. I'm sorry, let me write it. You only write the 4 because the 1 because we carry the 4 over to the thousands. And 6 times 2 equals 12 plus 4 equals 16. So now we multiply that 6. So now all we got to do is multiply 500. So that's the 500. Notice that the 500 has 2 zeros on the right hand side. So that's what we're going to add to this right here. 2 zeros times 100, which is what these two numbers represent. So now we multiply 5 times 8 equals 40. We carry 4 over. 5 times 8 equals 40 plus 4 equals 44. We carry 4 over to the hundreds. 5 times 6 equals 30 plus 4 equals 34. We carry 3 over. And 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 3 equals 13. Okay. Now, let's see if we did everything correctly. So the commas go here. That's comma, comma, comma. Every 3 numbers is a comma. And we have one more right here. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 4 plus 8 equals 12. We carry 1 over. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 3 plus 1 equals 4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 plus 6 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. You carry 1 over. 3, 4, 5. Okay, my friends. So this is the comma now, plus the millions, which is 1, plus zeros equals that number. So now we know that this is how much they will pay. Let me write a money symbol here. For this space of 2,688 square feet, someone will be paying this much money for this property. My friends, watch the video again. This is my gift to you. Learn it. Become a better mathematician by thinking and reading and doing everything correctly because you have it in you. Signing out, your coach, Peter Parker. I got to go back to my spider web. Get it? Signing out.